Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to use Android or iPhone smartphones as a webcam for Windows and Linux computers. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So here I am using Android devices, and if you're using iPhone devices, the process will remain the same, so don't worry. So if you're using Android smartphones, then you need to open the Play Store firstly, and you need to search for one application named as Webcam. As you can see here, just search this application. As you can see here, Webcam, just tap on it. So as I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you install it. So there is a pro version also, as you can see here, Webcam X, which I'm using right now. So if you like the free version after using it, then you can purchase the pro version, which does not contain an ads in the application itself. So try the free version firstly, and if you like it, then you can purchase the paid version. So after installing, what you need to do, just tap on open. So you will get the user interface here. So before proceeding further with these applications, let's jump to the computer itself. So now on your Windows or Linux computer, what you need to do is you need to open any web browser, and in the Google you need to search this application name as Webcam. So search this name in the Google search. So once you search this, you will get its official website. Here you can see this is the official website. Just click on it and visit its official website firstly. So here you can see its official website pages. So here you will get the options to download for different devices like Android, iOS, that is for iPhone devices, for Windows computers, and for Linux computers. So right now I'm using a Windows computer, so I'll be downloading and using this download Windows client. If you're using a Linux computer, then you can download the Linux client. But as I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you download for your respective computer firstly and install it. So after installing, what you need to do, just connect your Android or iOS smartphones with your Windows or Linux computers. So after that, what you need to do, just open or launch the Webcam application, as you can see here. So here you will get options to connect. If you have a same Wi-Fi connections, then you can use a Wi-Fi connection if you want it wirelessly, and if you want to connect with a USB, then you can use the USB connection. But note one thing, USB connection option is only available for the Android devices. So if you're using iPhone devices, then you can connect only using our Wi-Fi connections. So right now I'm using Android smartphone, so I'll be using a connect over USB. So now what I will do in my Android smartphone, I'll just open the same application, that is Webcam. So what I will do, now I have turned on or open the Webcam application in my Android smartphone too. Now here you can see a refresh. If you did not find a USB port, just click on this refresh, and now you can see a message. Just click allow on your Android smartphone. Let's try again. So my Android smartphone device name has been appeared, Nokia 6. So now you can click on start. Now it will use your camera. As you can see, you can use your Android's camera, so you can see right now. So in this way you can use any of your Android or iOS smartphone as a webcam for your Windows or Linux computers very easily. So if you never known about how to use your Android or iOS smartphones as a webcam for your Windows and Linux computers, then download these cool applications, and this application will help you to use Android or iOS smartphones for different purpose, like if you're using for conference meetings, or if you're using a Zoom applications, or if you're using a Google Meet applications, then you can use this kind of applications, and you can do a video chatting also using this applications itself. So if you never known about this cool application before, then download it today, and I would highly recommend you to try the free version firstly, and if you like the free version, then you can purchase the paid versions for your respective Android devices. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.